It's a secret. You cannot see.
We go.
Where are we going today, Jay? Where shall we go? Do you know what boulangerie means? Then you will get a fine. Now in Luxembourg. Here, look. It's so silent.
It's sunny today. Good morning. Have a good day. Beautiful day. We are just driving toward the Luxembourg, passing through these beautiful landscapes, nature, trying to find our way.
Trying to find our way. Where are we going today, Jay? Where shall we go?
Actually, let's see what the flow brings for us today. Nina, you need to turn left. No, we go. Oh, very good. Wow, it's beautiful.
Oh, just driving is already so nice. We can just drive for 4 days. Why not?
Houffalize.
Yes.
This is how we pronounce Houffalize. Houffalize.
Oh, this is how we pronounce it in the Netherlands. I'm not sure if they pronounce it like this here as well. But it's very beautiful. You see, Chouf?
Oh, Chouf? What is Chouf?
You can read it there.
Uh-huh.
La Chouf is a very famous beer from this region. It's called La Chouf. It's a blonde beer. And they brew it here in this area.
Uh-huh. That's why everywhere is written Chouf.
Chouf. Yes. You see there also.
Let me show you. It's there. Nice village. Cool.
Wow.
You think we can have a short stop if it... How does it work, Nina?
How does it work? So, you see this we use in Europe.
Uh-huh.
It's written the hour of arrival.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's 1 o'clock, yes. So now I turn to 1 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
Then I put it here in front of the window.
Okay.
They check. Because you can stand here for 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So they come and check what time did you park here. And they can see we are here at 1 o'clock. If they are here at 4 o'clock and they see we parked at 1 o'clock, then you will get a fine. Do you know what boulangerie means?
No.
Bakery.
Bakery in French.
Yes. They put the colors on the street because here on the right side there's a school, so the cars go drive lower.
But why he didn't go lower a bit? He goes fast. Don't go fast. Look at these colors. Hey, I'm with you. Hey. Oh.
It's radio?
Radio. It's
Radio. It's the news.
Yeah. No music. Music now. Music now.
Late, you need to wait. Patience. Pension. Pension. Patience.
Chanson?
Wait, I don't know.
Music.
Aha. No.
My boss.
Oh, your boss. Oh, boss is coming. His boss in the car.
La Clambe de la Piax. Is it? What did you buy, Nina? Oh! You make too much noise. Oh. What did you buy, Nina?
Tomato, pieces of tomato.
Pieces of tomato?
Yes.
For how much?
For how much? €1.70.
€1.70.
Yes.
1 plus 1.
1 plus 1.
This is how we travel cheap.
Yes. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Prima.
Prima.
خیلی خوب.
You know why we are here?
Why?
Because we need to wait.
We don't need to wait. Actually, we are enjoying watching them.
Okay,
They're
we are
building,
enjoying watching them.
It's a really nice system. Let me show you the system.
Okay, I'm gonna take lunch break, okay?
Okay, you go for lunch. You see this button? You see this? Making buttons. Put it in the other machine. And then it goes up from there. And they do the construction. They need button. And we cannot pass. You see? This is special. We need to wait. We're gonna have lunch break. Where is this?
Now in Luxembourg. Here, look.
Luxembourg! Welcome to Luxembourg! Hey. Oh, what is this? Oh.
Wow, good.
But
The road is better here.
that's true, I just wanted to say.
We're flying.
Yeah, comparing to the Belgium,
Yes, it's much better.
as soon as you just pass the border, you feel the car is relaxed. I feel the difference with the road, yeah. Just imagine 5 minutes before we were just driving in this bumpy road. Oh, Belgium is awful road. Hey, Belgium government, what are you doing with your roads? Come on, guys, come on. It's time to fix the roads. Oh, just look at the colors, Nina. It's just amazing. Hey, so beautiful.
I wanted to say, this can be a place which is really crowded in the summertime, I think, or in the weekends. So we're really lucky we're here on Tuesday and it's so silent.
You want to live here?
Yes.
Oh, so cool. And I love this car as well, okay?
It's amazing. You don't need
With these
more,
brakes,
right?
yeah. It's not
Oh
big,
my
it's
God.
small, good design.
It's beautiful. Comfy.
Ooh.
It's also the perfect time because it's spring. It's so beautiful with the leaves, the green and orange color.
I 100% agree, but the only comment that I have, maybe it's not a spring, it's autumn.
This is what I mean, autumn.
Okay.
It's autumn.
So everything is perfect.
I was already thinking, why are you laughing? Is this funny? It's a secret. You cannot see.
We go. Wow.
Magical.
Amazing. Even this side is beautiful. Okay. You think it tastes good? Not really, but
No, it's okay.
it's okay. But the other tree was better.
Which tree was better?
The other.
I'm the queen of the world!
What did you say?
I'm the queen of the world! My house?
This is your house.
Yes,
Wow,
yes,
what's
yes,
a
yes. This is
balcony
my
you have,
balcony.
Nina?
My balcony.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, it's so peaceful here during the weekdays. Yeah. Hmm. Queen, we are closing the tower. Finish, finish. All the visitors go down, down, down.
Thank you, worker. You stay overnight?
Yeah, I will take care of the lag here.
Jay? I found some more blueberries.
It is easy. I love this as well. Hello.
And it's very different style than in Belgium. In Belgium you saw these big stones using for the houses, and here they all plaster it. Yes, it's different. But beautiful. Oh, Jay.
Okay.
It's really nice how they made the picture from, I don't know, very long time ago. The same buildings. It looks exactly the same, but just very long time ago. And they did it in whole the city with these pictures.
Yeah, it was so nice all around the village.
People walking there.
With their own traditional clothes. Hello, hello, hello. Wow, you're so beautiful. So beautiful. Good morning. Lina, I see you like driving up hills,
I
yeah?
love it.
So why you're not comfortable when you're...
I also should be aware because with the curves, yes, I look like I'm driving this attraction, you know, at the fair. When you I don't know what's the name. Bumpy cars.
Wow, so nice.
Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you.
How do you compare the villages in Luxembourg with the Belgium?
So the houses are more colorful.
That's
They
true.
have pastel colors, like yellow, orange, red, brown, white. And they are fully this color. They are fully plastered, so no breaks. It's a little bit more organized, but still very green. It's clean.
Same time, to be honest, I think the villages in Belgium, they were more authentic. You know, with all of those stones.
It's a house on itself.
Uh-huh.
Then I like the Belgian houses with the bricks. But when it's about the vibe in the town, I like the different colors and the atmosphere. Yes.
It's also really nice, yes, Wow, look at the colors, look at the light, it's so beautiful. I know, guys, the glass is a little bit dirty, you don't see really clear. Let's try, 1, 2, 3. Guys, you think it's better? I think so, yes.
Jay, what are you doing? You found fruits. Oh my god. Wow, Jay, it's really tasty. Wow. Oh my god. Really tasty. Take everything you can find, okay?